It is time for another crazy nail art set. So in this set, I want to feature Hello Kitty and Kuromi having a very awesome summer day by the beach. So after creating some aquarium nails, I mixed some black glitter and some light gold glitter into this nude gel to create the sand effect on the beach. After adding more details to the beach effect, I go ahead and use the exclusive color from the Hello Kitty kit bolted together to add details like her bow and details on her swimming outfit as well. Hello Kitty is basically just chilling on the beach, so here you see me doing the outline work, and after adding the sand effect to trace in Aprés x Hello Kitty to commemorate this beautiful collection, I have a crazy idea to combine these bow-shaped cutout tips to create a surfboard because I really wanted to sculpt Hello Kitty surfing on the waves, so here she is. For the other hand, I really want to feature this underwater scene, so I'm making more aquarium nails this time, but I wanted Kuromi to basically transform into a little mermaid, so here you see me painting Kuromi as a mermaid. And after I created these jellyfish using the Extend Gel Novice, I imagined Kuromi was tired from swimming, so she went back on the beach to bury herself in the sand to keep herself nice and toasty. But this is the final set all put together. I absolutely love how this set turned out, and this might be my favorite summer nails I've ever done. Let me know which is your favorite hand, the Kuromi hand or the Hello Kitty hand. And don't forget, the Hello Kitty and Friends and Aprés collaboration tips are limited edition, so get them while you can. You will absolutely love everything that's in the kit. Follow me for more crazy nail art, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!